What's going on, people? Tropical storm just came through here, and I'm coming out here to assess the damage. So you're gonna see for the first time, like me. Look, oh my God, what in the world? Jesus on the main line. Oh my God, just ripped my stuff right on up. Oh man, this is crazy. Did my plant break? A little, some of it broke. Got a little too big and heavy. A couple down here broke. I can get a couple off of there. Did my bell peppers break? I think my bell peppers are still alive. Got a big right one down there. Had to get that one off. This big tomatoes ain't. It's hard when these tomatoes fall when they're so big like that. It's hard to get them back up. Did my chilies break? They didn't break. So I think I'll be, one of them broke. This one down here broke, and another one down here broke. I had to cut those off. Look at this, guys. Did I ever tell you guys that I hate summer gardening? Well, if I haven't, let me let you know I had, oh my God. That was my one sunflower with the head on it. It broke. The other one that didn't have a head on it still growing. What happened to my, oh man, the other one that was growing, that one broke clean off. That's crazy. Let me check down on my blueberries. How we doing down here? They still good. Those are still good. Those are good. Apple trees and fell over. The other one is leaning. Everything else just everywhere. Stuff everywhere. Everything else looks halfway okay. This thing here, Jesus. How? How did that happen? Man. I know this was falling over because it's got a heavy melon hanging on it and some cucumbers that I gotta cut off and make some pickles. I had a couple growing on here like that, but everything up in this corner is all it's all just what's that called, like pole beans. They all grew in one section, so I don't know how that bent over like that. If I just try to lift this thing up. Oh man, I don't know if I can fix this, guys. It's too big. I think I'm gonna have to come out here and raid these tomatoes before the birds come. They've been eating my tomatoes all the way up. Oh man, it done took half my jalapeno plant with it on this side. Broken on that side. Yep. It's craziness, guys. I'm gonna take a couple of these off, a couple of these in the house. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Y'all make sure y'all pray for your boy. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Absolute pain. I've had this happen to me before, but it wasn't like that much. I've had like one tomato plant fall over and I just was like, it's too big to do anything with, so I just left it alone. This thing here has been, I mean, it stood up. We had a couple tornadoes that come through here, and this thing stood up perfectly. I don't understand, but it's all good. I'll try to reinforce it. I might tie something at the very top there and then tie it, like pull it up from the other side of my fence and tie it somewhere down on the other side of my fence, just to kind of anchor it a little bit to pull it up. The other thing, the other trellis is coming out of the ground. That's why it's doing that. I'll come and probably cut off all the leaves that are on the peppers, the stalks that are broken. And I'm probably going to end up spreading out my pepper plants, like moving them somewhere. Maybe I'll move them over here or something like that, just to spread them out a little bit more, with them being all tangled up like that. I don't know. As far as the tomatoes go, I'm gonna try to pull them up, but normally when they fall like this, they are so daggone heavy, they just keep falling. So I might just pull it up, try to pull off all the tomatoes I can, even if they're green. I'll pull them, especially the big ones. The little small ones over there, the cherries, I'll try to pull some of the riper ones out of there, but you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I might have to leave it, but we'll see. All right, guys, this is craziness. Craziness. Oh, let me see one more thing. Let me check on my stuff over here. Make sure they're all right. Yeah, they're still all right over here. All right, guys. I will talk to you all later. Peace.